The drawing to be created now is exercise 4. I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to zoom with the window to enlarge the dimensions and the views. Now we'll proceed. I've already set up the split screen as you see. I'll hit escape and then I'm going to go into model space where we do all the drawing. I'm going to change the layer, make layer 1 current. And the first thing you do is type L enter, or pick a line anywhere, type 7 enter. Mouse down 4.75 enter, 7 enter, C to close, and I can pan over here like that, and I'm going to copy these 3 lines, pick any point, ortho has to be on, move it down, hit escape or enter. Now I'll offset O enter, 4.5 enter, hit escape, F enter for fillet, radius 0. I'll clean up this corner and clean up this corner. Next I'll draw a line from the midpoint here to the midpoint here. Enter. Enter to repeat the command. Draw another line from the midpoint, I'm selecting it right there, midpoint here to midpoint here. Enter. Now I'll type O for offset and 1.5. Enter. Move that line up. Enter twice to repeat the command. Offset 3. Enter. From here up. Then I'm going to copy CO enter this line and move it down. And I can type F enter for fillet, radius 0, and clean up these intersections. The top and front view of the object are now complete, and I have to dimension it. Before I dimension, I'll have to type dim scale, D-I-M-S-C-A-L-E. The default is 1. I want it to be 4 because I want this part of the drawing to plot at 1/4 scale. And it will check out the dimension style. It's 2 places, so that's okay. Now I'll change and make the dimension layer current, and hopefully it'll all come out right. So I'll put a dimension with O snap on from here to here, hit the space bar here to here and put it there. I can do another dimension here and another dimension from this point to that one there, and another one from here to here, and so forth. These don't look too good, so I'm going to change them. I'm going to take off the object snap and the ortho. I'll click on that dimension, grab the grip and move it in here like this. Pick a point there. That looks better. And I can do the same with this one. With the grip, grab it and move it where I want to put it. Like there. Hit escape. Or I can even center it better since the O-snap is off. So that looks better. With the top and front view completed, I want to go into making the solid. So I click on layer. I'll make the solid layer current. And then I'm going to shrink the drawing down a bit, and I'm going to pan to get it out of the way. I'm going to make the right view drawing active. Z, enter, E, enter, zoom extents, and then I'll zoom in on the drawing to show you what it is we're going to be making. We're going to be making that drawing. I've got to make layer solid current here. It didn't change because I have to activate this. Now it's solid. The first thing I'll do is with a rectangle command, pick 2 points, M, enter, L, enter, and move that to the right. Enter to repeat. No, I don't want to. I want to go to rectangle. Pick these 2 points. M, enter, L, enter. Rectangle command. Pick these 2 points. And then move into southeast isometric, pan, zoom with the window, but I have to know what these dimensions are going to be, so I'll go back to the drawing on the right, Z, enter, E, enter. Make the drawing on the left active again, type EXT, enter. I'll extrude the top piece. That's 4.5 minus 1.5, so that's 3, enter. Repeat the command. Extrude the bottom section, a height of 1.5, and extrude the smaller section 3 minus 1.5, so to a height of 1.5. Now I'm going to move M, enter this from that intersection to that intersection. Repeat the command. I'm going to move this from that intersection to that intersection. I'm going to go to union. I'll make a window, add them all together, enter, and let's see what it looks like. It's okay. I'll Z, enter, E, enter, switch to top view. Now I want to get the drawing ready for printing, so I'll go into layout, go to layer, make viewport layer current, type MV, enter, and make a large window. Repeat the command, make a smaller window. Double click inside the small, southeast isometric, pan and zoom to enlarge the solid. Zoom real real time to make it even bigger. Double click outside to get into paper space. Click on the large frame. That's in my way here. Okay. Make this I want to go down, make to the annotative scale and make it 1/4. Double click inside, then pan. Looks okay. So double click outside, get into paper space. I'll zoom with the window to see what the solid looks like, and I'll view and orbit it in a continuous orbit. First, I have to double click inside, get into paper space to be able to do that. Then go to view, orbit, continuous orbit, and see what it looks like. Everything looks correct, so I'll right click, exit, and I'll zoom previous. Double click outside, zoom extends, Z enter, E enter. Go to layer, make layer 1 current, freeze viewports, and to all intents and purposes, this drawing is complete. Thank you for watching.